So I found a very interesting way where you can use the new version of NotebookLM as well as the latest model of Claude to help you create faceless videos. And the good thing about this method is that you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to do any editing. You don't need to do any coding. Literally, it's going to be copy and paste, and you're going to be able to not only generate your faceless videos, but you're also going to get everything you need in terms of your channel profile picture, your channel banner, as well as the thumbnails that you're going to use for the videos, all within the Claude chat. And I'm going to break down exactly how NotebookLM is going to play a role when it comes to helping you find faceless videos that are doing well right now. So whether you've already got a channel that you're operating, or maybe you're thinking about starting a new one, this video is going to give you a lot of insights. It's going to come down to these 3 simple steps. So let's jump straight into one of the first steps, which is going to be to use NotebookLM for trending video ideas. So as I mentioned before, NotebookLM has gone through a recent rebranding. It's no longer called NotebookLM. They've changed it to Gemini Notebook, but in this video, I'm going to be using the terms interchangeably because I'm still used to calling it NotebookLM. But either way, you're going to be able to use it for completely free. You're just going to go over to the URL, which is still notebooklm.google. For those of you that don't know what this tool is and what it does, it's basically a AI research assistant. And you guys should already know that Google owns it, and Google also owns YouTube, which means that if you're able to use it in the right way, you can essentially figure out what's doing well in the YouTube space. So what I'm going to do is just click into try Gemini Notebook. And there's one thing that is important for you guys to know, which is that you don't want to use NotebookLM to generate the actual video. One thing that I noticed a lot of people doing is using the studio mode on the right hand side, which can actually generate full AI videos. And I've seen a lot of people uploading these videos directly to YouTube. This is the incorrect way of using this tool. You mainly want to use it when it comes to finding the trending video ideas, not generating the videos themselves. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make these different AI videos where you don't need to edit. All you need to do is tell the AI what video you want, and it's going to come back with a fully edited video that you can upload directly to YouTube. So once you're in your NotebookLM account, this is going to be the screen that you're going to see, and you can give NotebookLM a variety of different sources that it's going to look at before it gives you an answer. You can give it a URL link to a website. You can upload a PDF document. You can provide it with video links. You can also give it Google Drive access, or you could just copy and paste text. What I'm going to be doing is using a method that I've not seen anyone else on YouTube showing, which is copy and pasting links from faceless channels that are doing well right now in bulk and pasting it into this section right here. And the way that I'm going to be able to find all of these faceless channels is to use this tool over here called Digital Maker AI. Now this is going to play a big role throughout this entire workflow. I'm going to leave a direct link to it in my description down below, and I'm also going to leave a coupon code down there as well. So if I just scroll down on the homepage, you're going to see that there's a new integration that has been released where you can now connect Digital Maker AI directly to your Claude account. I'm going to speak about this a little bit later on, but this is where all the magic is going to happen, because you're going to be able to generate faceless videos instantly, as well as all of the other things that you're going to need for you to upload your videos. But for now, what you want to do is just click on Get Started for free. And from here, you can sign up using a Gmail email address or a regular email address. And as you're also going to see, there's over 30,000 active users that are using this tool right now as we speak. Now, once you log in, the feature that you're mainly going to focus on when it comes to the NotebookLM stage is going to be the faceless finder. Returning viewers on this channel would already know exactly how this works, but for those of you that don't know, this is being updated on a daily basis automatically with channels that are mainly faceless, and they're also being generated with AI. The reason why this tool exists is because if you want to find channels within your niche, if you want to find channels that are doing something similar to you, creating videos where there's no actual person on screen, you could go directly to youtube.com, type in your niche, but you're going to spend more time trying to find the channel that's worth replicating. But this feature's done a lot of the heavy lifting. It's scanning YouTube on a daily basis. So you can literally just click into this drop down menu and pick whatever niche you want. And as you can see, there's been an update if you're a returning viewer in terms of all of the different niches that are available. Now, one tip I want to give you whilst we're here is that you don't want to pick a niche that is doing well, but you know nothing about it. My tip is to try and pick a niche that you're passionate about, that you've got a little bit more knowledge than the common person, and try and avoid something just because it's trending and it might be bringing in a decent amount of income. For example, what a lot of people may do is click into the personal finance and wealth niche, and then maybe sort the earnings from highest to lowest. And as you can see, there's all of these different channels that are earning a decent amount every single month. And a lot of people would see this and say, you know what, I'm going to start a personal finance channel, even though I know nothing about it. This is a quick way of making your channel fail from the very beginning. Ideally, what you want to do is pick a niche that you actually care about and you know something about it. Let's say if you're into psychology, you may want to go with this one. And even though these channels might not be bringing in the same amount of estimated AdSense revenue on a monthly basis, it's still decent and you're going to be able to continue the channel over the long run rather than giving up at your first obstacle. So yeah, I thought I'd let you guys know that because it's very important, but let's continue with the step-by-step process. So we're using NotebookLM to come up with trending video ideas. So let's say if I wanted to start a channel within the psychology niche, what I would recommend that you do is first and foremost, click into any one of these channels. So let me click into this one. Okay, so this is the channel right here. If I just click into more, let's check when they started it. Okay, so they started it around a year ago and they've been able to get over 1.2 million views. Not bad at all. We can see that their videos are doing really well. A lot of their videos have been going, I would say, viral for, you know, the type of views that they normally get. So this one got over 8K views in 3 days. This one got over 31K views, 21K views. So yeah, the channel is, I would say, performing quite well. And if we take a look at the format of the videos, we can see that it's pretty simple as well, you know, not overcomplicated when it comes to making it. And I would say that this is the perfect format when it comes to using the Claude interface to help you generate these type of videos. But what you want to do from this point, once you've decided on a niche, you've looked at the different channels, you're happy with their performance, their format, is that you're just going to click into all of the channels just like this. You can maybe go with around 5 different channels. So let me go with this one and maybe end it off with, yeah, let's just leave it with these 5 channels. I'm just going to click on copy and then come back over to NotebookLM just like this and then paste all of the channel links in there just like that and then click on insert. And right there, as you can see, all of the channels are now been added as a source. And what this is going to enable me to do is to use NotebookLM to scan these different channels for it to give me video ideas for my channel that I'm looking to build. And what I'm going to say is I need you to scan my competitors in the sources and give me 10 YouTube video idea titles and the main search word for each. Ensure that they're being searched for right now on YouTube. So I'm just going to enter that in and click on submit. And right there, as you guys can see, NotebookLM is looking through all the channels. It's scanning it. It's coming up with the best response. It's not just going to come back with an instant response. It's going to take its time to think. And there we go. Right there, I've now got 10 different video ideas that have a high chance of doing well. And from this point, you could just copy a title, go over to Claude and start the process of generating your video. But I would recommend that you double check to make sure that a specific keyword is actually doing well in the space that you're looking to enter. So I could see just by looking at these first few video ideas, the main keyword that keeps coming up is Carl Jung. Carl Jung, to my knowledge, is a famous person within the psychology niche. So what I can now do for me to validate if this is a topic that people are actually searching for is to copy the name just like this, then make my way over to Google Trends. There's a way that you can use this to figure out if people are searching for videos specifically on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is just enter Carl Jung just like that and then click on explore. And from here, there's going to be some changes that you need to make. So the first one is to change the country from wherever you are to worldwide. Then change this one from the past 24 hours to, let's say, the earliest time frame possible, 2004 to present day. And then finally, you're going to change this one from web search because this is when people go directly onto Google to search for a keyword. And we can see that it's doing really well on Google. But if we change this to YouTube search, okay, there we go. So we can see that this is a keyword that no one was really searching for ever since 2004, but ever since 2024, I would say, it blew up on YouTube and more people are interested in this topic. So yeah, that's the basic idea as to how you can use NotebookLM for trending video ideas. But once you've now got that, you're going to move over to the second step, which is going to be to set up the Claude MCP connection. Now, for those of you that are scratching your head thinking, Sam, what exactly is a MCP connection? Well, this is something that all of you should be using because it's going to streamline your video creation process. And basically the way that it works is you're going to be able to connect Digital Maker AI, which is one of the most simplistic, faceless video generating tools out there, directly to Claude, which means that you can have a conversation with Claude and make your videos. So if you're someone that already has a Claude account, this is definitely something worth doing. If you don't have a Claude account, you don't need it because you can still go directly onto Digital Maker AI and generate your videos directly. But I'm going to show you how simple it is for those of you that did want to use Claude. So the first thing is to set up the MCP connection. Now to do this, you're going to go into your Claude account. You are going to need a premium or ultimate plan for you to do this in the most effective way. So just make sure that you upgrade your account, and don't forget there's going to be a discount code in my description. And from there, what you're going to need to do is just click into settings and then click on the Claude MCP tab at the top. And then what you need to do is just click on create a key. I'm going to blur it out, but part of this URL is going to contain your API key, and this is what's going to allow your Digital Maker AI account to be directly connected to Claude. So what you need to do is go back over to Claude, and what you're going to do is just click on the left hand side and then click on customize. Once you've done that, you're just going to click on connectors and click on add custom connector. And it's going to be here where you're going to now copy and paste the information. So you just need to copy and paste the name, copy and paste the URL into these two fields. And there we go. Everything should now be connected and your permissions should be set. And just like that, you're now going to be able to use Claude to make these simple faceless videos. Which now brings me on to step 3, which is to create your faceless videos directly in Claude. So what we're going to do is go over to a new chat. And the first thing that you're going to need to do before anything else, once you're in the chat interface, is to click into the plus icon and make sure that your Digital Maker AI MCP connector is turned on. And also make sure that you're using either Fable 5 or Opus 5. I prefer using Opus 5, so this is the one that I'm going to go with. And there's some really cool things that you're able to do, not just generating the video, which I'm going to show you in a moment, but you can do everything else. So let's say if you don't have a channel set up already, you can use Claude to help you build out the profile picture as well as the banner for your channel. So if we go back over to this channel, if I wanted to create a similar looking image as well as banner, I can take a screenshot of it just like this and then drag and drop it directly into the chat and just enter a simple prompt. All this says is I want you to use the Digital Maker AI MCP to create a similar looking banner and profile picture as the one attached for my channel called Wisdom Teacher. This is just a random name just for demonstration purposes, but let's click on enter. And what it should come back with is this box where it's going to ask you to grant permissions to Claude. So I'm just going to click on always allow. And there we go, just like that. Within a minute or so, it's letting me know that it's created both of them and I can find them in my Digital Maker AI library. But what I'm also able to do is say, give me the direct links to both of them. Just like this, click on enter. And if you want to get the direct link so that you can view it in the chat, it's going to be able to do so. So what I'm going to do is just open it up. Okay, here we go. So this is the profile image that it was able to come back with. So it's similar, but not the exact same. And we've also got this banner that I'm going to be able to use as well. And of course, if you want to view them directly in your account, you're going to be able to do so by clicking into your history. So these are the images that it was able to come back with. I'll say that they're similar to the original, but not the exact same. So if I wanted to use them for my YouTube channel, I could do so straight away. And if I also wanted to access them directly in my Digital Maker AI account, I'm going to be able to do so by going directly to my history. But moving on to the thing that a lot of you actually care about, which is generating the video. For me to do this, again, I could do it directly in the chat. What I'm going to do is just enter this prompt. I'm going to say, I now need you to create the following video title. So I'm just going to go back over to NotebookLM. I'm going to copy this title over here. Let's just grab that, paste it directly into this section. And I've just put some other points there. I'm just going to say that I want it to generate a 1-minute video. Of course, when generating long form faceless videos, you want it to be minimum 8 minutes. I'm only doing 1 minute because I don't want to burn through my credits. And I'm only showing you this as an example. I'm going to tell it that I want the best visuals for the topic and I want it to use a male voice. Let's see exactly what it's going to come back with. And right there, as you guys can see, it's creating the video right here in the chat. You don't need to go anywhere else. You don't need to download any Visual Studio, install any code, or even use Claude Code. It was able to write the script for me. It was able to put everything together. The video is now rendering. So what I'm going to do is wait for it to finish. It's probably going to take a few minutes, but as soon as it's done, I'm going to come back and show you the next steps. Okay, guys, I'm back. So it's been maybe 3 minutes or so. I'm just going to enter this prompt. I'm just going to say, is the video complete? Let's see what it says. Okay, great. So the video is done. It's given me the direct link to it. It's let me know exactly what voice it chose, the different options that it chose. And what I can now do is click directly into this link to view it. So let's do that right now.
There's a paradox Jung spent his life revealing. The moment you stop forcing outcomes through sheer ego-driven will, something far more intelligent begins to move. Not magic, not wishful thinking. Your own unconscious self, the deeper intelligence beneath your conscious striving, starts orchestrating what your planning mind could never arrange. Jung called this synchronicity, meaningful coincidence that emerges when the ego quiets enough to perceive what was always aligning beneath the surface. Your unconscious isn't passive. It's already moving you toward your authentic path, your genuine becoming, but only when you stop the noise of grasping and control. Relentless striving from the ego actually drowns out the quieter signals of the self. The deeper you dig into individuation, Jung's map of becoming whole, the clearer this becomes. True power isn't forcing reality to match your will. It's surrendering to the self's greater intelligence. The difference between a man rowing against the current and a man learning to read it.
And there we go, guys. Just like that, as you can see, that was the video that it was able to make. So all of that done directly within Claude. And the good thing about this is that right there, as you can see, it's also asking me if I want to generate a thumbnail as well. So it knows exactly what the video is about. It knows exactly what the style of my channel is about. So if I did want to get a thumbnail for this video, I could do so by simply saying, yes, please make the thumbnail. And no word of a lie, it was able to do it within 30 seconds or so. If I just click into the link, let's take a look. And there we go, guys. This is the thumbnail that it was able to come back with. And I'm actually impressed by what it was able to do. It remembered the main character from the profile image. It used decent text. And if I want to make any changes to it, I'm going to be able to do so. And remember, guys, everything that I've shown you in this video, you could do directly within your Digital Maker AI account. If you want to view anything that you've made through Claude, you can go over to your history. So if I click into video history, right here, this is the video that Claude made sitting in my account. If I want to make any changes to it, if I want to update the subtitles, if I want to change any of the scenes over here, I'm going to be able to do so. So yeah, it's a very straightforward way of being able to start a faceless YouTube channel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are you going to use the Claude MCP? Are you going to go directly into Digital Maker AI? Are you also going to use NotebookLM? Let me know. I'm going to try my best to respond back to as many comments as possible. If you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. If you want to gain access to Digital Maker AI, I'm going to leave it linked down below with that coupon code. And if you wanted to watch another YouTube video on my channel where I'm going to touch more on the monetization side of things when it comes to being able to earn from faceless channels just like this, you're going to be able to watch that by clicking the link on the screen right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this because that video has helped out countless people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from the very start all the way to the very end, it's going to help you out as well. But as always, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.